Okay.
Okay.
Take one.
No, just put in mono. Okay, perfect.
Okay. So, good evening, everybody. Thank you for coming to the Alef-Bais class. I think Bill and Victoria are underway this evening and won't be able to make it. But we will begin with the famous Alef-Bais song.
Okay.
So on page Vav of our Alef-Bina book, Sefer Alef-Bina, which is a real sefer, this is a holy book. So we have the entire Alef-Bais, and everybody should have a copy now that has no notes on it, no cheat sheets. So,
Okay.
Cliff Notes, good one. Okay.
Okay.
All right. So, Alef-Bais Gimel Daled Hey Vav Zayin Ches Tes Yud Kaf Lamed Mem Nun Samek Ayin Pei Tzadik Kuf Resh Shin Tav Shir Yachad. Let's sing together. Alef-Bais Gimel Daled Hey Vav Zayin Ches Tes Yud Kaf Lamed Mem Nun Samek Ayin Pei Tzadik Kuf Resh Shin Tav. Excellent. Noch einmal, one more time. Alef-Bais Gimel Daled Hey Vav Zayin Ches Tes Yud Kaf Lamed Mem Nun Samek Ayin Pei Tzadik Kuf Resh Shin Tav. Okay, very good. So we are going to finish up on introducing the letters of the Alef-Bais this evening. But before we do that, let's review what we've learned so far. So on page Zayin of our book, Alef-Bina. So, and Zayin, so we've got a Zayin up in the corner here. What number does Zayin represent?
4?
7.
Good.
All right, 7.
All right. 7. So, we have, let me see whether I can do this properly. Okay. Alef-Bais, Vase, Gimel, Daled, Hey, Vav, Zayin, Ches, Tes, Yud. Okay, now these are the first 10 letters. Wait, now let's count here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, because the base and the Vav really are just one letter. But because we have the Dagesh, we've got the point here, but we don't have it here, then they sound different. But when we're counting the letters, then these are really the same letters. Okay, so Karen pointed out with the dot in the middle, it's like a ball that is in the middle. So we have a B sound for bass with the ball, and a vase, which in English holds flowers, is empty, right? So it doesn't have the dot. This was what Karen taught us. So excellent, Karen.
Thank you.
All right. So how about the numerical equivalents of all of these letters? So Aleph is 1.
1,
Base
2,
is 2.
2,
Gimel,
it's 3,
3,
Daled,
4,
4,
Hey,
5,
5,
Vav,
6,
6,
Zayin,
7,
right?
7.
Like we said, we're on page Zayin here. So Ches,
8,
Tes,
9,
Yud,
9,
Yud.
10.
10.
Excellent. Okay, so now let's test this one out, not necessarily in the proper order. So Daled,
Dollars.
4.
Okay, count them.
Ches, 8.
8,
8,
Vav,
5,
No, sorry,
6,
Base,
2,
2,
Aleph,
1,
1,
Yud,
10,
11.
10,
10.
Oh, 10. There are 11 things, but it's
Tes,
9.
9,
Gimel.
9,
3,
3,
Excellent. Daled,
4,
good. Base,
2,
2,
Good. Ches,
8,
excellent. Woo! Zayin,
7,
7.
7,
Excellent. Okay, wow, great, Jerry, wow. All right. So, now let's turn to page Yud Daled. What number is Yud Daled?
10,
No, it's 14.
14.
14,
14,
So, right, Yud is 10 and Daled is 4.
Oh,
10 plus
Yud
4
Daled.
is 14.
okay, 14, right, you got
Oh. Wait, I just saw. I think, did, no, you don't.
That's the dollar, isn't it?
this page right here, right?
Nope, got a different one.
No. Remember youth and the
Use, right?
youth dollar.
Use dollar, okay.
Yeah. So the youth and the dollar.
Okay, wait.
Oh, gosh.
Almost.
Did I lose everybody? No. There we are.
we're here.
Okay. Yeah. So Victoria posted in the
This one?
group chat to please record. So we're doing it because she can't do it.
Nope. But
No.
You're almost there.
There is a cough at the top of Yud Daled.
Then you skip. You see next to you.
Yeah,
Look up there.
There we
look
go.
up there.
Okay, it's this one,
Yeah.
this page.
So Jerry, see here it says youth dollar.
Right here.
Youth dollar. So that's a page 13.
What that say?
Yeah,
14,
Yud
sorry,
Daled.
Page 14. Yeah.
So
Small one.
the Yud Daled,
Yeah, it's hard to say.
the Yud Daled is up there in the corner, and we established that Yud Daled has the numerical value of 14 because Yud is 10, Daled is 4.
It don't look like it.
Okay, so on this page, what do we have? We've got Kaf and Chaf. So Kaf, Chaf. Kaf is a hard sound. Why? Because it has the dagesh. So like we had bass and vase, bass with the dagesh, which is hard, b. Vase, which is soft, without the dagesh. Similarly, kaf is a hard K sound, and chaf is a soft sound like Loch Ness. Okay, then we have kaf sofit, which is enda kaf. That's the final letter. When kaf appears at the end of the word, it looks like this. And when chaf appears at the end of the word, it has 2 dots in it. Kaf sofit, chaf sofit. Kaf sofit, chaf sofit. Okay, here we have a lamed.
Lamed.
And here we have also a lamed that it's not, this isn't really grammatically a letter, or if it's just some printers use this font, and it looks like this.
Would there be any reason they use it?
It's traditional. So yeah, I did check that. So mem here, mem, and mem sofit, and
Sofit over here,
Mem,
right?
Sophie.
right, final mem or enda mem, we call it in Yiddish. Nun
Nun.
sofit,
Sofit.
and
Sophie.
samech.
Okay.
Okay.
Amen.
Now, here's where the numbers get a little tricky. So, Kaf is 20,
20.
right? We have Yud, that's 10. And we saw that our Yud Dalet is built by 10 and 4, right? So 14 is built by 10 and 4, Yud Dalet. So, and then that is the case with the numbers 11 to 19. However, we talked about 15 and 16, remember? But we'll get into that in a second. Okay, but here then we have Kaf, which is 20, Lamed, which is 30,
30.
so Mem, which is 40,
40.
Nun, which is 50,
50.
and Samek, which is 60.
60.
So Samek sounds like 60. It begins with an S. So Samek, 60. So once again, Kaf, 20, Lamed, 30, Mem, 40, Nun, 50, Samek, 60. Yes. Okay. Okay. So let's just go through here. Kaf. Chaf. Kaf sofit.
Cough, Sophie.
Chaf sofit.
Cough, Sophie.
Lamed.
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 Mem.
Mem.
Mem sofit.
Mem. Sofit.
Mem, Sophie.
Nun.
Nun.
Nun sofit.
Sophie.
Samek.
Sana.
Amen.
Okay. Now the difference between a nun sofit and a vav is that the nun sofit extends down below the line. So it will go lower than the other letters.
I see that.
Yeah. All right. So all right, so let's go ahead and we're going to introduce our new letters this evening and finish out the Alef-Bais.
Right.
Yeah, this is pretty exciting.
What page?
Now we are on page Yud Ches.
Yud Hes. Okay, let me see what that is.
18.
Excellent. 18. Yud is 10, Ches is 8. 10 plus 8 is 18.
I think this is the page here, right here, right?
That's Yud Tes, Yud Ches.
So am I on the right page?
Yes. Okay. So now we have Ayin.
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 This is like an A sound, ah. So like exactly like in Kilahino, but exactly like Aleph.
Okay.
Okay, same sound as Aleph.
I.
Okay, pay,
Pay.
Pay.
fay,
Pay.
pay,
Pay.
fay.
Pay.
Okay, once again, we have a dagesh, so we have the point in there, so we have a hard sound, pay, p,
Pay.
pay. And without the dagesh, then it becomes a soft sound, fay.
Pay.
Pay.
Pay, fay.
Pay.
Okay, and here we have pay, sofit.
Pay. Sophie.
Pay. Sophie.
So this is the final pay. This is when pay comes at the end of the word. This is what it looks like. Okay. Then we have tzadi,
Zadi.
tzadi,
Sadi.
tzadi.
Zadi.
Good, tzadi. And this is like a ts sound. Tzadi. Right. Zion is like a z. Tzadi is like ts. Tzadi.
Zadi.
Right. Zion, z, tzadi, ts. Okay. Here we have tzadi, sofit.
Zadi.
Sadi. Sophie.
Right. So when tzadi appears at the end of the word, this is what it looks like. Okay. And then to close out, we have kuf.
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 Kuf. Good. Reish.
Resh.
Resh.
Shin.
Shin. Shin.
Sin.
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 Shin.
Shin.
Sin.
Sin.
So,
Sin.
right, it's the only difference here is the placement of the dot,
Yeah.
right? So when it is on the right side, the right side. Yeah, when it's on the right side, so then it's a shin. When it's on the left side, it's a sin.
Okay.
Shin, sin.
Sin.
Shin, sin. So this, when it's a sin, it is an S sound just like a samach. Okay? So resh, shin, tav.
Tav.
Okay, and here, once again, tav with the dagesh is a hard sound, tav. Without the dagesh, it is a soft sound, which in Ashkenazic pronunciation is sav.
Sav.
Tav,
Tav.
sav. So in modern Hebrew, then we don't have the sav, but let's say Mizrahi speakers of Hebrew do make a distinction. This is, it's like a th, but not where you're going th, but where the t is becoming soft. Yeah. So that's why it's transliterated normally as a th.
Okay.
Yeah. But it's not really, as I say, it's not really the. It is a yeah. It's a very soft T. So Russian also has this. Okay. So once again, ayin,
Ayin.
pay,
Pay.
fay, pay sofit,
Pay. Sophie.
tzadi,
Zadi.
tzadi sofit,
Zadi. Sophie.
kuf,
Kuf.
resh,
Resh.
shin,
Shin.
sin,
Sin.
tov,
Tav.
sav.
Sav.
Good. Okay. So in terms of numerical value, then ayin picks up after samech. If you have the Alef-Bais song in mind, then you know that that ayin comes after samech. So we said samech had what numerical value?
Samech is 16.
60. Excellent.
16.
60. 60. Okay, so ayin then is 70.
Okay.
Yeah. Pei is 80. Tzadi is 90. And then kuf is 100.
100.
Resh is 200.
200.
Shin is 300.
300.
And tav is 400.
400.
So on currency like that Israel makes, do they put these letters on when you have a $500 bill, where they have the number 500
No, they
or
use
100?
they
100
use-
was kuf, you said.
they use Arabic characters
Oh,
on that currency.
so you wouldn't use a kuf for $100?
This is like Lashon Kodesh.
Oh,
So this is the holy tongue.
oh, okay. It's not used for Monday and things like that.
Yeah. No, right. They use Arabic numerals for
Okay.
in commerce or in business, right? Or with dates. Okay. So let's just go through this one more time. So ayin. 70, good. Pei,
Hey,
80. Fei, Sofit. Tzadi,
90.
90, good. Tzadi, Sofit.
So
Kuf,
kuf, 100.
100, excellent.
100.
Resh,
Resh, 200.
Shin,
Shin,
Shin, 300.
good. Sin,
sin,
no, not yet. Tav,
Tav,
Right.
400.
and Sav.
sav.
Tav.
Okay, that is the entire Alef-Bais. So, Mazel Tov, everybody. Really, yeah.
Couldn't have done it without him.
All right. So now on page Yud Tes,
Okay.
we will do some of the exercises.
Use test.
You,
This is you test, right?
No.
This is
No. So Yud Tes is the page number. What do you have here?
I got
So-
1 and what's that? 16?
Kof Aleph.
Cough.
So remember, we're reading from right to left.
Left.
So this is Kof Aleph, which we said is
16.
no.
Kuf Aleph. Kuf Aleph. Kuf is
kuf is 100, isn't it?
9. No. Like Kof Aleph.
Kof.
So,
Right, not Kuf. Sorry.
10, right?
Kof. No.
No?
Close. You're getting closer there. Jump another 10.
20?
20. Good. 21. So this
21.
is 21.
Okay, and
So-
that's 20.
That's 20. That
It's
should
21.
be that should be cough there. So turn the page back. Okay, Yud Tes.
You
Good.
test is,
You see?
Yeah.
Yud Tes.
okay.
All right.
Yeah, I see a U, but that's mighty small.
All right. Does it, Jane, do you have your Alef-Bais book? All right. Good. All right. Because I don't know that I'm going to be able to hold this up and do it. So everybody's going to have to follow in their Alef-Bais book. On page Yud Tes. Juliet, do you have it?
Yes.
Okay. All right.
Okay, just make sure that, like, to remember the people, if they need it, they can just come here and pick it up.
Right. So Esteban very kindly made Alef-Bais books available here in Shul if anybody needs one. Okay. So let's then practice the sounds associated with these letters. Okay, and ayin is an ah sound. We said it is like an aleph.
Ein,
So ah,
Ein,
ah,
ein,
ah, 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 ah. Here we have a mem, which is an M sound. M, m. Nun, which is an N sound. N, n, n. Samach, which is an S sound. S. What is the next letter? Zayin. Excellent, excellent. Zayin, which is a Z sound. Z, Z. And then we're closing out with an ayin ah. Ah. Okay, let's do all of that again. Ah. 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 Ma. Ma. No. 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 S. S. Z. Z. Ah. Ah. Awesome. All right. So now we have pay and fei. Pay, so p, the hard one with the dagesh, and fei, f. So pay is a p sound, and fei is an f sound. I'm sorry.
The P, pay, looks like a parrot.
Uh-huh. All right. Okay. It's true. So, okay. Pay and fei. Ready? P, 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 f, 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 p, p, Yeah,
That was the rough one.
yeah, the final letters are hard. Okay, but we have in order, we have a fe sofit, we have a chaf sofit, kaf sofit, nun sofit, fe sofit.
How do you tell the difference between a pay sofit and a fay sofit?
Yeah, but they're not presenting any dots, right? Right. Yeah, I mean, there must be a dagesh in there. I'm trying to, yeah. Or is it the case that there is no pay sofit? But I don't think that that's the case. Okay, Tzoraki, and I'll look into it. So now let's turn the page to Kof, which has the numerical value. We just had Yud Tes.
Oh, that is 20?
20.
20, excellent. Okay, and at the top of the page, we have a tzadi and a tzadi sofit. So, and we said that Tsadi sounds like a TS in English. Tse. Okay, so tse, 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 a, tse, a, p, f, tse, a, tse, ch, n, f, tse, n, tse. Okay.
Here's a question. When we were going over things before, like there seem to be a number of different letters you could, like if you're spelling out Sarah's name, you have the S sound. Like there's so many other. There are at least three or
What
four
letter is Sarah spelled with?
We found it was with sin.
With a sin,
Resh,
right?
and
Right.
It's not a Samic. It's a sin.
If you don't know though, and you're just hearing the sound, like, is there something that would tell you what letter it should be, or do you phonetically do you have 3 or 4 different letters it could conceivably be if it's not a word you're familiar with?
Right. Theoretically, it can be different things if
Like-
you're not
like
familiar with
you know
the
from
word.
reading the Bible that this is how Sarah's name is spelled.
Right.
Okay.
But
Can I go outside and smoke now? I'm stressed.
if you have to,
Yeah, I'll be right back.
okay.
I'll be right back.
That was an extremely conditional permission you were given.
I'm so stressed.
Okay, that's
You should.
Sad.
Okay.
Stress, I need to take my mind off the stress because I'm stressed. I told you earlier, I'm stressing. I'm still stressing about it.
maybe one day you just stand up to the stress.
Huh?
Maybe one day you just ignore the stress, but not yet.
I ain't ready for that. I'm not as intellectual as you are.
Oh, is that what I am?
Yes.
Thank you. I've never been called that before, by my wives at least.
I'm not as intellectual as you are.
All right. So the next letter is Kuf. Kuf. Okay, and has the numerical value of 100. Good. So, and this is like a sharp K sound. So, Kuf and Kof are the same sound.
This is what you're talking about, this one?
That is Kuf, yes. Okay, on page Kof. Yes. Okay, so Kuf. K, 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 A, B, V, G, D, H, V, Z, Ch, T, Y, K, Ch, L, M, N, S, A, P, F, T, K. Okay. We'll do that one again. Ready? K, 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 A, B, V, G, D, H, V, Z, Ch, T, Y, K, Ch, L, M, N, S, A, P, F, T, K. All right. Now on page Kaf I Aleph 21, we have a resh, which is an R sound, kind of like a French R. Yeah, R. So the Israelis really have it. It's R. No, R. It's in the back of the throat. It's a very soft resh. Right. Okay, now resh, as we're going to see, is hard to distinguish from a dalid. But resh is round at the top.
Daled has an elbow.
The dalid, Kalman is saying, has an elbow, or I would call it...
A little bony thing that comes out.
Okay. I would say somehow a rooftop, so it's like a flat roof. Yeah. So, okay, so resh. L, 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 R, D, R, D, R, R, D, R, D. Good, good. Okay, then we have shin and sin. So the difference being the placement of the dagesh.
But in saying it, it'll still be a s.
And right.
Right?
So
No, it'll be a sh and
Right.
a s.
right. Right. So the sound of a shin is sh. The sound of a sin is like an S. So similar to samach. Or an Ashkenazic pronunciation similar to sav as well. So sh, 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 s, 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 sh, sh, s, sh, sh, s, sh, sh, s, s, sh, s, sh, sh, s, r, k, ts, f, p, k, n, s, a, m, l, ch. Careful. So the chaf looks like a vase, but it's not. Right? The vase is squared off at the base. All right. So on kaf base 22. Then we have a tav and a zav. Tav, sav. Tav, sav.
Tav, sav.
Right. So a t and a s sound. T, s. Yeah. So once again, the dagesh makes it a strong, sharp sound t, and without the dagesh, s. T, s. Okay. T, 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 s, 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 t, s, t, s, s, t, t, s, t, t, s, t, s, sh, s, s, sh, r, d, k, ts, a, ts, a, p, f, f, p, k, ch, f, s, m, s, n, g, m, t, l, k, ch, y, ch, he, z, v, v, b. Okay, so chaf has the same sound as a ches. It's a ch, as in Loch Ness Monster. The vav and the vase have the same sound, a v, v. So tav and tes have the same sound, t. Sav and sin and samech have the same sound, s, s. Okay. So let's do that page again. Chaf base
Base.
22. Good, excellent. So t, 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 s, 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 t, s, t, s, s, t, t, s, t, t, s, t, s, sh, s, s, sh, r, d, k, ts, a, ts, a, p, f, f, p, k, ch, f, s, m, s, g, m, t, l, k, ch, y, ch, z, v, v, b. Excellent. Very good. Very good.
Really?
Really.
Even though I missed a minute?
Even now. All right. So now we have the entire Aleph base. So represented on page Kaf Gimel, which is
23.
good, 23. Okay, so let's take a look at it. Aleph, Bais, Vase, Gimel, Daled, Hey, Vav, Zain, Pes, Tes, Yud, Kaf, Kaf Sofit, Chof, Chof Sofit, Lamed, Lamed, Mem, Mem Sofit, Nun, Nun Sofit, Samech, Ayin, Pei, Fei, Fei Sofit, Tzadi, Tzadi Sofit, Kuf, Resh, Shin, Sin, Tav, Sav. Okay, and let's work on the sounds then from these. 1 second, somebody wants to join here. Okay. So let's get the sounds of all of these letters on page Kaf Gimel 23. A, B, V, G, D, H, V, Z, Ch, T, Y, K, K, Ch, Ch, L, L, M, M, N, N, S, A, P, F, F, T, T, K, R, Sh, S, T, S. Okay. Very good. Over the page to Kaf Daled, which is
24.
24. Kaf 20 Daled 4. Okay, so let's do the sounds of these letters. S, T, S, Sh, R, K, T, T, F, F, P, A, S, N, N, M, M, L, L, K, Ch, Ch, K, Y, T, Ch, Z, V, H, D, G, V, B, A. Excellent. That was the Aleph base backwards, as Esteban just pointed out. Okay, so page Kaf Hey, which is
25.
Good, 25.
Am I on the right page?
You're on the right page, yes.
I thought I
Kof,
said
hey.
Kof.
Good.
I'm on the right page?
You're on the right page?
Mine says Kaf Dalet again.
Yours says Kaf Dalet again?
Yeah. It says Kaf Dalet.
Oh, wow.
Kof.
Uh-oh.
That's funny. Yours also. So I think this-
There's a printer
this
error.
version, yeah, this version. I think.
Printer's error in some of these
Yeah,
versions.
Which is a typo.
Oh, so we have the mistake.
Yeah.
Okay, you've got the better book.
All right. Well, it's just testing you.
Consider us testing.
All right, so on Kof Hey. B.
Ba.
V.
Ba.
V.
Ba.
B. V. B. B. K. K. B. B. K. V. H. V. H. V. G. N. N. G. N. G. D. R. D. R. D. R. H. V. Z. Z. V. V. Z. Okay, excellent. So this is really testing our letter recognition here. So, and all of the letters that look similar to each other. So got to be very careful. Learn the tricks, so study them so that you can get it firmly in your minds. So which letter is which? Okay, so let's do this page again. B,
Ba.
V,
Ba.
V, B,
Ba.
V,
Ba.
B, K, K, B, B, K, V, H, V, H, V, G, N, N, G, N, G, D, R, D, R, D, R, H, 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 V, Z, excellent. Okay.
Sound like a choir in here.
All right. Over the page to Kof Vav.
The Alef-Bais Class.
Kof. Ba. Right there. Right there.
That's it. Which has the numerical value of
26.
26. And what has the value of 26? Why is 26 a special number in Gematria?
It's the name of Hashem.
Right. So Yud K Vav K. Now we can start to do Gematrias, right? So because we've got Yud K Vav K. So and we don't say Yud He Vav He because it's Hashem's name. So we say Yud K Vav K.
Sorry, the prayer.
Okay, but so we have Yud, which is how much?
10.
10.
Hey,
5.
5. Vav,
6.
where are we?
10, 15,
Hey.
21.
21. And a hey,
5.
26.
that's 26. That's Kof Vav.
Do the Hebrew names have something to relate to Gematria for the person? Does their Hebrew numbers of their name has something relevant for each person?
I mean, if it happens that way, sure,
Can you discover something of your name with the Gematria?
sure.
Interesting.
Eliezer, you know the Gematria of Eliezer.
I know the
We know it from last week's parsha.
Ah,
318.
Yeah,
318.
318.
Right.
Oh, true.
Right.
Wow. Oh, it's a hard one. I mean, it's a high standard.
Version. All right. So everybody understood how we got the numerical value of the tetragrammaton? So as 26. Okay.
You added the numerical equivalents of the letters.
Right. Okay, but that's what gematria is.
That you can relate to any other letters with the same numeric
Right.
equivalent.
And so when two words have the same numerical value, then that shows that there's a relation between them. No? So things like that.
Can I ask a question that may or may not be relevant? Satan is always equated with 666 or 999, depending on whether you look at it up. Does that have anything to do with the numbers corresponding to letters of Satan? Or is that related to something else? I'm curious. I've always been curious about it.
I mean, so let's think. In other words, Kalman is asking what is the gematria of Satan. And I just want to make sure that we're spelling it properly.
Right, there's that S sound that could be done a number of ways.
Okay, so okay, so Satan is sin, tes, nun, sofit. So sin, we said
300.
300, good. Tes,
This is
9.
we're at 9, good. So we're at 309 plus nun,
nun is
50.
50.
okay.
So we're at 359. So the Yeshkites they're out to lunch here.
Well,
So-
that certainly wasn't the way they got to that numerical thing. Would that be addressed in the Zohar, maybe? Like
What?
where that number gets correlated with his name?
It's not
That's
Jewish.
not a Jewish thing.
No, it's not
Oh, okay,
Jewish.
I'll pull that one out by the
Right,
roots.
right. It's not Jewish.
Out with that.
Okay, so we're on Kof Vav 26, and we're going to look at the difference between a Zayin and a Nun. And, right,
This is Zion, right?
Yes.
And this is Yud, right?
yes.
Right. The
Nun
nun's off to one
Nun
side,
Sofit, sorry, I
Nun
should have
Sofit.
said.
and the Zion comes out on both sides.
Okay, so let's go through the sounds here. Z,
Z,
N,
No.
Z, N, Z, N, Ch, S, Ch, S, Ch, S, T, M, T, T, M, K, 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 M, S, S, M, S, M, P, F, F, P, T, F, K, P, K, P, K, P. Good, good. All right. And let's keep going on Kuf Zayin, 27.
Fa.
F.
Fa.
This is, so there's no dagesh there in the middle.
Okay.
So it's a soft sound. It goes from a p to a f.
Okay. Fa.
F.
Fa.
K.
Ka.
Or sorry, f, ch, f, ch, f, t, a, t, a, t, a, sh, s, s, sh, sh, s, sh, s, s, sh, s, t, t, s, t, s, t, k, t, ch, t, k, ch, 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 f, n, f. Good, good. All right. Let's do that one again. F, ch, f, ch, ch, f, s, a, s, a, s, a, sh, s, s, sh, sh, s, sh, s, s, sh, s, t, t, s, t, s, t, k, t, ch, t, k, k, ch, f, n, f. Very good, very good.
Cooking with gas.
It sounds good, it sounds good.
Gas.
All right, so like we pointed out initially, all of the letters in the Alef-Bais are consonants. And when we turn to page Kaf Ches, 28, now we're going to, so next time we'll start with the nekudos, so with the vowel sounds. And these are written so under or above the words, the letters, and provide different vowel sounds. The nekudos. This is the vowelization of the Hebrew consonant letters. And but first, everybody should make sure that they have the consonant letters down and the basic sounds that they make, and then from there we can go to the vowelization. So, but I see everybody's getting very sharp with their chavrusas. Yeah, it's working very well.
Practice, practice, practice.
Practice, practice,
Study,
practice.
study,
Right?
study.
There's no way around it.
Study, study,
So.
study.
All right. So yeah, that really sounded great, and I wish everybody continued success in the Alef-Bais this week, and we'll work on the nekudos starting next week. So thank you, everybody.
Thank you, Rabbi.
Thank you, Rabbi. Lila Tov.
Lila
Lila
Tov.
Tov.
Lila Tov.
Class is over. Wow.